So this is betweed as a rope. So we're going to start with gratitude. Breathe in the things we're grateful for. Exhale all the junk. Be light with the pen and the pressure. And we're going to start, I'm making 2 here, so 4 sets of lines. And then we're going to do betweed, which is just back and forth. But you're going to start halfway from the other line, whether you keep it straight or rounded. And you're just going to go back and forth to the edge of that line. Take your time, breathe, light with the pen, light with the pressure, and take the tongue off the roof of your mouth. Once all of these lines are in from betweed, I like to fill in this little space here. Now, technically, betweed starts almost with like a fescue, but I find it easier and more meditative if I draw the lines first and then add this weighted section. So you can choose and decide what's best for you. Now, once this is done, I like to put some graphite on each side. I'm using a regular pencil and blend it out with a tortillon. Now play with this and make it what makes you happy. Remember, it's about the journey to the end of the tangle, and the tangle is a bonus at the end. So don't forget to subscribe. You'll see it on white paper here at the end as well. Enjoy the process. And what's really important to remember, and I'm trying to say this each time, is that it's very much okay to go outside the lines. So don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Have a great day.